Are you preparing for the competitive exams? So, today we are going to solve the most important science PYQs that have been repeatedly asked in previous years. So, without any delay, let's get started. So, the very first question from the topic physics is, who discovered the law of gravitation? So, the answer is option C, that is Newton. Question number 2, the unit of a electric current is. So, the answer is option A, that is ampere. Question number 3, which device converts electrical energy into mechanical energy? So the answer is option B, that is motor. Actually, the full name is electric motor. Question number 4, which type of mirror is used in solar cookers? So the answer is option A, that is concave mirror. Question number 5, heat is transferred in vacuum mainly by. So the answer is option C, that is radiation. Question number 6, which is a scalar quantity? So the answer is option C, that is work. Question number 7, the working principle of a washing machine is. So the answer is option B, that is centrifugation. Question number 8, SI unit of pressure is. So the answer is option B, that is Pascal. Question number 9, the pitch of sound depends upon what? So the answer is option B, that is frequency. Question number 10, which of the following has the highest refractive index? So the answer is option C, that is diamond. Question number 11, the sun appears red at sunset due to. So the answer is option B, that is scattering of light. Question number 12, which radiation has the highest energy? So the answer is option B, that is gamma rays. Question number 13, which device is used to convert AC into DC? So the answer is option A, that is rectifier. Question number 14, which metal is used in making thermometer? So the answer is option C, that is mercury. Question number 15, fuse wire is made up of. So the answer is option D, that is tin and lead. Question number 16, the rainbow is an example of. So the answer is option A, that is dispersion. Question number 17, which planet has the strongest gravitational field? So the answer is option B, that is Jupiter. Now the chemistry part. Question number 18, which gas is used for artificial ripening of fruits? So the answer is option C, that is ethylene. Question number 19, which element is liquid at room temperature? Very easy. Option B, mercury. Question number 20, which metal is used in galvanization? So the answer is option A, that is zinc. Question number 21, who proposed the atomic theory? So the answer is option A, that is John Dalton. Question number 22, which is an alkyl earth metal? So the answer is option B, that is calcium. Question number 23, which chemical is used for purifying water? So the answer is option C, that is chlorine. Question number 24. The noble gas is used in advertising signboards is. So the answer is option A, that is neon. Question number 25. The chemical formula of baking soda is. So the answer is option B, that is NaHCO3. Question number 27. Which process is used in milk preservation? So the answer is option B, that is pasteurization. Question number 28. Brass is an alloy of. So the answer is option D, that is lead and tin. Question number 29. Which acid is present in lemon? So the answer is option B, that is citric acid. Question number 30. The most reactive element is. So the answer is option A, that is fluorine. Question number 31. Which gas is known as water gas? So the answer is option A, that is CO plus H2. The full name is carbon monoxide and hydrogen. Question number 32. LPG mainly contains. So the answer is option A, that is propane and butane. Question number 33. Which is called the white gold? So the answer is option B, that is platinum. Now the bio section. Question number 34. Which is known as the father of genetics? So the answer is option A, option B, that is Mendel. Question number 35. The smallest bone in the human body is. So the answer is option B, stapes, that is in ears. Question number 36. Which organ stores bile? So the answer is option B, gallbladder. Question number 37. Which disease is caused by the deficiency of C? So the answer is option B, that is scurvy. Question number 38. Amoeba respires through. So the answer is option D, that is diffusion. Question number 39. Which plant is known as the biggest flower in the world? So the answer is option B, that's Rafflesia. Question number 40. Which blood cells fight against infection? So the answer is option B, that is WBC. White blood cells. Question number 41. Which organ in human body produces urea? So the answer is option B, that is liver. Which part of the brain controls breathing? So the answer is option B, that is medulla oblongata. Question number 43. Plants release oxygen during. So the answer is option B, that is photosynthesis. Very easy. Everybody should know about it. Question number 44. Which microorganism is used in alcohol production? So the answer is option C, that is yeast. Question number 45. Which part of the eye controls the amount of the lightning entering? So the answer is option B, that is iris. Question number 46. Tuberculosis affects mainly. Answer is option B, that is lungs. Question number 47. Which blood group is universal recipient? So the answer is option C, that is AB positive. Question number 48. Which animal is known as a sheep of the desert? So answer is option B, camel. Question number 49. Which part of the plant absorbs water? So answer is option B, root hairs. And the last question, who discovered blood circulation in the human body? So the answer is option B, that is William Harvey. That's all for today. All the best for your exams. Jai Hind. Bye bye.